Good morning, students. Students of class 6, today we will discuss the chapter of desert animals. You have also read what is desert. Desert are the driest place on earth and there is no rainfall. So in this chapter we will read about the desert animals. Can you name some desert areas in India? And the word, can you give? Thar desert, yes. Why do you think lives in such area? What type of life the people and animals live there? So in this video we will discuss how desert animals survive in desert. Deserts are the driest places on earth and sometimes go for months or even years without rain. But even the desert animals cannot survive without water or for long periods in the scorching sun. So they have had to find different ways of coping with the harsh conditions. For example, gerbils spend the hottest part of the day in cool underground burrows, and strange insects called darklings beetles are expert at catching drops of moisture on their legs, then lifting them into the air until the drops trickle down into their mouth. Not all deserts are endless seas of rolling sand dunes. Some are rocky or pebbly and dotted with small bushes, while others are sprinkled with colorful flowers during the spring. As you know, on the earth, deserts are the driest place. You have seen, if you go there, you can see there that there is a sand and sand, a lot of sand. Sometimes for months or sometimes for many years there is no rainfall. But even the desert animals cannot survive without water. As you know, water is very important for all human beings and animals. They cannot survive for long period in the scorching very hot sun. So they have to find the different ways of coping with the harsh condition. For example, gerbil is a desert animal, spend the hottest part of the day in cool underground burrows. As you know, they live in burrows, so spend their hottest part of the day in their burrows. And strange insect called darkling beetles are expert at catching drops of moisture on their legs. They are so expert that they can catch drops of moisture on their legs, then lifting them into the air until the drops trickle down into the mouth. Not all deserts are endless seas of rolling and dunes. Some are rocky or pebbly and dotted with small bushes, with others sprinkled with colorful flowers during the spring. There are a lot of sand dunes. Sand dunes, heap of sands formed by the wind. Uh, there are a lot of sand dunes. Some are rocky or pebbly, stony, and dotted with small bushes. Sometimes there are some small bushes, while others are sprinkled with colorful flowers during the spring. There are more than 2300 different kinds of snakes around the world, ranging from 15 centimeters long to more than 11 meters. There are more than 2300 kinds of snakes in the world, and their length is also different from 15 centimeters to 11 meters, more than 11 meters. Most snakes are quite harmless, but there are a few that are so poisonous. But there are some very poisonous. They can kill a human being with just one bite. If they bite any human being, he or she can die. Most snakes lay eggs, but there are many which give birth to their young. Some snakes lay eggs and some give birth to their young ones. In the dry, rocky desert of America lives a rather evil looking snake with a very bad reputation. What is bad reputation? Its frightening rattle can be heard as far as 30 meters away, and it can strike with lightning speed, and its speed is very high and it can hurt. So students, you are able to understand this chapter